Lenovo Legion 5 Intel 14th Gen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the Lenovo Legion 5 16i laptop. Lenovo's Legion gaming laptops have a solid pedigree for offering quality gaming experiences across a range of budgets. This beast packs some serious power with its Intel Core i7-14650HX, NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics, 32GB of RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD. So if you're looking for a powerful gaming or productivity machine, stick around because we're going to break down everything this laptop has to offer. Power adapter, 230-watt slim tip, 3-pin AC adapter, 100-240V, 50 to 60 Hz. The manufacturer added a small bonus in the form of a removable decorative panel. Such an element can refresh the owner's experience at the initial stage of use. Some paperwork and user guide. The Lenovo Legion 5's display is very impressive for a gaming laptop. It's an IPS panel with a matte, anti-glare coating and a 350 nits peak brightness. All these combine to make the Legion 5 appear decently bright outdoors. Inside, in favorable lighting conditions, the laptop display looks outstanding. That's due to the 2560 by 1600 resolution, and the 165 Hz refresh rate and G-Sync support will make gaming a breeze. You get 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, with one of those being always on. Then, there are the 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C ports, both supporting DisplayPort 1.4 and one supporting 140W power delivery. You'll also find an HDMI 2.1 port. Rounding out the port are a 3.5mm combo jack, a gigabit Ethernet jack, a card reader. Another staple of Lenovo laptops is the keyboard and touchpad, both of which are high quality as usual. The keyboard has a gaming-focused layout with a numpad and full-size arrow keys. This is the perfect keyboard layout for both a gaming keyboard and casual use. Keyboard backlight for zone RGB backlight, white backlight. The trackpad is set just to the left of the center, which also feels pretty natural given the keyboard layout. Camera FHD 1080p, with e-shutter, fixed focus. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, we've got the Intel Core i7-14650HX processor paired with 32GB of RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD. This combination makes multitasking and handling demanding workloads a breeze. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, this laptop will have no problem keeping up. When I ran benchmarks, the results were impressive, especially when it comes to gaming. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, and Apex Legends all ran smoothly at high settings, maintaining consistent frame rates. The RTX 4060 GPU, if that's the configuration you choose, is solid for handling modern games at 1080p and even 1440p in some cases. Featuring an extensive 80-hour battery. With super rapid charge, you can avoid the dorm and get swift recharging, reaching up to 30% of battery life in just 10 minutes and a substantial 70% in 30 minutes. Audio chip high definition HD audio, Realtek ALC3287 code. Speakers. Stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Numeric audio microphone dual microphone array. WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6E. Why should you buy the Lenovo Legion 5? Impressive general performance. Dependable RTX 4060 graphics. CPU and GPU are plenty powerful. Excellent keyboard and trackpad. Loud, if slightly tinny audio. Plenty of ports. Strong sRGB display vibrance. Our groundbreaking Legion Cold Front Hyper sets a new standard for gaming PC thermal design. Tailored for gamers, this innovative thermal system features fans spinning inward, working in tandem to efficiently expel hot air from the rear. Gone is the issue of hot air blowing onto your hand while using a mouse near the side vents. And with a dedicated sealed hyperchamber to contain the heat, your system maintains optimal temperatures, giving you an additional 10 W of power or lowering noise levels by 2 dB, and reducing skin temperature by 2 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Fahrenheit.